How to sync Audible and Kindle. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. So starting off, you can open up a launcher and search for Whisper Sync for Voice. This is how you'll be able to easily sync your Audible and Kindle. This is the way, as there is no direct option built in for your Audible or Kindle to sync other way. Now in here, it will narrate you to how you can easily sync your Audible with the Kindle. First, you need to buy a Kindle book, then select a Audible narration. Then to sync, you have to tap on the icon similar to your book and the headphone icon. By tapping on it, you'll be able to sync your Audible and Kindle. Now, as we have to purchase a Kindle first and foremost, we can explore the titles by tapping on Explore Titles at the bottom. In here, you will see a wide range of books that you can easily purchase and listen on your Whisper Sync. For an example, if I tap on it, I have to go ahead and add to my cart, then purchase this particular book for me. Once it is added, now I can just go ahead and listen to it after a successful purchase. That is how we'll be able to sync our Audible and Kindle together. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.